Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for the love and the support. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post. For today's video, I will be making some Jamaican style June plum juice. Have you ever tried this recipe before? If so, comment down below. If this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome and I hope you learned something new. If you are an old subscriber, thank you so much for your support. The first thing I will be doing is washing the June plums and the ginger. Since I will be leaving the skin on the Jew-plum, which is optional, you can peel the skin off if you like. I will make sure that I wash these properly. After washing these, the next step is to cut them into desired pieces. You don't need to cut them into any particular shape nor size. Here are 5 health benefits of Jew-plum. It works as a good antioxidant. It reduces hypertension. Jew-plums improve the immune system. It has a good source of iron. It contains antibiotic properties. There are a lot of health benefits for Jew-plums. You can research to know more. Health benefits of ginger. Ginger stimulates digestion. It reduces nausea. It acts as a blood sugar regulator. It reduces inflammation. Ginger also has a lot of health benefits. You can research to know more. All you need for this recipe is your Jew-plum, some sugar, and a ginger. Put the Jew-plum pieces in a blender, add water, and blend. After blending, make sure you strain this. Repeat this step until you are through. Repeat the same step for the ginger. Also, you do not have to blend these separately. It is up to you.
You don't even know me like that. Are you pressed for time? Put you on my mind.
This is a very easy juice to make and it is jam-packed with a lot of health benefits. You can serve this with or without ice. This is the end of this video. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have learned something new. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post. I will see you in the next video. Until next time, bye!